Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Leo air sign for the month of June. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past, Leo. Lot of cards. Okay, let's see your recent past. The Lovers, Six of Wands, King of Swords. Definitely there is love between both of you. The Lovers is here. I think your person could be Gemini or Aries, Leo, Sag, fire sign, or could be air sign also. And your person wants success with you or you want success with them. Definitely there is communication. I think one person in this connection is very straightforward, King of Swords. So definitely there is love between both of you. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. Ace of Wands, Ace of Swords, Nine of Wands. Lot of fire energy. Definitely there is some new beginnings between both of you. There are also some negative cycles which are happened in past are ended. I think definitely because there is a chance for new beginning, or for some there is a new person also for some. Definitely because here two aces, so definitely for some new love is coming, definitely, or you start your life in a different way, definitely. So Nine of Wands, I think it is here one person is guarded, definitely due to the past wounds. One person want a new beginning with past person for some, and for some there is a new person entirely. So those who choose past person, definitely there is love. So let's see your person here, future actions towards you. Six of Cups, King of Pentacles, Three of Swords. Yes, definitely there is a heartbreak, I think, in past, or it will happen in near future. Definitely there is heartbreak. Three of Swords is here. Definitely I think in past your person may be not committed to you, but your person feels, or you feel strong soulmate connection with your person. I think your person realize your worth after separation, definitely. Then he will come towards you and offer this King of Pentacles to you, stability. So definitely for those who choose past person, there is a big chance for and new beginnings, because your person want to offer this King of Pentacles to you, stability, strong soulmate connection or past life connection between both of you. So let's pull some cards from universe for final message. The Sun, wow. Okay, the Star, Eight of Wands, wow. Last card, Five of Swords. Yes, definitely there is a separation or some disputes between both of you. I think that cycles are going to be end most of you, because the Sun is very positive outcome, and your person could be Aquarius. Definitely there is a hope in this situation. And Eight of Wands, definitely you will get communication from your person, and the situation which are you in right now, it is going to be better, definitely, because Eight of Wands is moving a situation very fastly. Definitely for some new beginning, for some past, for most of you, definitely there will be two aces, brand new beginnings, for some new person entering in your life. Definitely those who choose past person, there is a chance for reconciliation also. So definitely there is pain also, heartbreak, disputes, I think they are going to be end. So this is the reading for you, Leo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.